Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you why starting a cryptocurrency trading business, it's the fastest way to make money on the internet compared to starting a YouTube channel or an internet marketing business. And what's more interesting is how price action moves and creates lots of opportunity to buy on the way up and short sell on the way down before the cryptocurrency pair fades in oblivion a few days later. For example, here's proof of the best performing cryptocurrencies that would have made you a lot of money going long in this week. First, the WLD USDT cryptocurrency pair bounced up by 77.32% in 5 days. And you would have made over 50% profit going long on this particular cryptocurrency pair. Second, the AMB USDT cryptocurrency pair bounced up by 133.99% in 10 days, 4 hours. And you would have made over 100% profit going long on this particular cryptocurrency pair. Third, the LEVER USDT cryptocurrency pair bounced up by 79.22% and you would have made over 50% profit going long on this particular cryptocurrency pair. And the fourth cryptocurrency, it's the BAKE USDT cryptocurrency pair. And the BAKE USDT cryptocurrency pair bounced up by 72.35% in 9 days, 12 hours. And you would have made over 50% profit going long on this particular cryptocurrency pair. And the fifth cryptocurrency on the list is the LQTY USDT cryptocurrency pair. So as you can see, the LQTY USDT cryptocurrency pair bounced up by 72.09% in 21 days. And you would have made over 50% profit going long on this particular cryptocurrency pair. So can you imagine making this type of profit over and over again? That would have made you a lot of money going long on the various cryptocurrency pair on the Binance exchange. So there is so much opportunity in the cryptocurrency markets for you to make lots of profit and grow your account in real time. The question is, how can you continue to make more profits in any cryptocurrency exchange? The answer? Stay tuned, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the do your own crypto trading research for generating consistent profits in any cryptocurrency exchange all over the world. Keep watching. As you may already know, the first step of the do your own crypto trading research is to identify where the price actions of most cryptocurrencies are heading to or will be heading to. And if you want to be 70% sure of where the price actions of most cryptocurrencies are heading to or will be heading to, then you've got to choose to trade long or short using the candlestick price chart data of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency pair as a guide. For example, right now, as you can see on the candlestick price chart data, the BTC USDT cryptocurrency pair, it's currently trading from its most recent high price. And to identify the most recent high price of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency pair, you've got to zoom out on the candlestick price chart data a couple of times in order to get the exact price of the most recent high price of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency pair. And as you can see on the candlestick price chart data, the most recent high price of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency pair, it's exactly at $28,580.17. And then use the yellow horizontal line to indicate the most recent high price of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency pair. And from the most recent high price, the price action of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency pair dipped down to 5.28% and then bounced up by 3.33%. And now the Bitcoin market price is currently trading above the standard 5% dip from its most recent low price. And that means you should go hunting for long trading opportunities in any cryptocurrency exchange of your choice. So head over to any cryptocurrency exchange of your choice and start sorting the cryptocurrencies in the spot or futures market with the 24-hour chain switch. For example, on the Binance desktop app, click on the Markets tab. And as you can see on the Markets tab, these are the highlight coin. These are the new listings, which is Pandora, Cyber, Seal, and then these are the top gainer coin, Multi, SLP, Quick, and then these are the top volume coin, which is BTC, ETH, and then XRP. And when you scroll down the list, click on the spot market links and select the base cryptocurrency of your choice, like the USDT, the FDUSD, the TUSD, the BUSD, the BNB, the BTC, the ART, the Fiat Oil, the ETF. And once you've selected the base cryptocurrency of your choice, click on the 24-hour chain switch a couple of times to sort the cryptocurrencies on the list in order of the highest percent gainers to the lowest percent gainers. And as you can see on the list, the best performing cryptocurrency on the Binance exchange, it's the MUTI USDT cryptocurrency pair, the SLP USDT cryptocurrency pair, the Quake USDT cryptocurrency pair, the XNO USDT cryptocurrency pair, the Pondix USDT cryptocurrency pair, the XRP USDT cryptocurrency pair, the LQTY USDT cryptocurrency pair, and the Cream USDT cryptocurrency pair. And wow, just like that, you've found the best performing cryptocurrencies to trade right away. And the next step is to start analyzing the candlestick price chart data of these cryptocurrencies using the second step of the do your own crypto trading research. As you may already know, the second step of the do your own crypto trading research is to identify the most current bullish or bearish transaction of the cryptocurrencies. So if your metrics for performing proper technical analysis of cryptocurrencies are based on support, resistance, and indicators, you will be limiting your abilities to make more money in any cryptocurrency exchange. Why? Because every single candlestick on the candlestick price chart data of any cryptocurrency, it's a major part of a bullish trend section or a bearish trend section. So make no mistakes, the candlestick price chart data of any cryptocurrency, it's divided into bullish trend section and bearish trend section. For example, remember in the first step of the do your own crypto trading research, the candlestick price chart data of the BTC USDT cryptocurrency pair said we should go hunting for long trading opportunities in any cryptocurrency exchange all over the world. And right now, the best performing cryptocurrency on the Binance exchange, it's the MULTI USDT cryptocurrency pair. And that means the MULTI USDT cryptocurrency pair has left clues on the candlestick price chart data. So let's jump right in to identify the most current bullish transaction of the MULTI USDT cryptocurrency pair. For example, as you can see on the candlestick price chart data, the most current bullish transaction of the MULTI USDT cryptocurrency pair started from the lowest price of this green candlestick bullish trend starter. And to identify the lowest price of this green candlestick bullish trend starter, you've got to zoom out on the candlestick price chart data a couple of times in order to get the exact price of the lowest price of this green candlestick bullish trend starter. And as you can see on the candlestick price chart data, the lowest price of this green candlestick bullish trend starter is exactly at $2.131. And then use the yellow horizontal line to indicate the lowest price of the green candlestick bullish trend starter. And from the lowest price of the green candlestick bullish trend starter, the price action of the MULTI USDT cryptocurrency pair bounced up by 67.32% to complete its standard cycle of a bullish trend operation at the highest price of the bullish trend, which is $3,566. So as you can see on the candlestick price chart data, the most current bullish trend section of the MULTI USDT cryptocurrency pair bounced up by approximately 67.32% in one day. And you would have made over 50% profit going long on this particular bullish trend section of the MULTI USDT cryptocurrency pair. So traders, it's absolutely insane when you see how much profits you can make in the cryptocurrency markets if you properly understand how to trade the market using the do your own crypto trading research. And this is an amazing opportunity for you to grow a small account into something more interesting over a little time frame.